What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got the iPhone 16 Pro on deck, and today is a case video.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Now, shout out to Casetify because they really sent your boy out something different. Now, this looks like a tan leather case, but this is synthetic leather. This is another material that came up with called BioVeg. So it's really sustainable and is approved by actually PETA. So that's very dope, very sustainable, and just very green friendly. But it's still a very, very dope case. Like I said, it looks just like a leather case. It has a texture almost like a leather case, and it's supposed to be 5 times stronger than PU leather, which is like the fake type leather. If you look up in the corners, very structured. This case still has that amazing drop protection from Casetify. You get like 6 feet of drop protection bolstered up in every corner. As you can see down bottom, you got your cutouts. And we got the Casetify ring of protection for the camera. A very dope case here, guys. And I really like this idea that we're actually using more sustainable materials, more recycled type materials. But a really good looking case, guys. As you can see, nice slits in the button press. And this is going to go very dope on my Desert Titanium iPhone 16 Pro. If you take a look on this side, we got cutouts for a lanyard. We actually got the power button, and you got a big cutout for your camera control. Now we take a look on the inside, microfiber type material to protect your device while it's in the case. Recycling phone cases since 2021, Casetify. So it's a really quality case here, guys. We also got that Casetify certification right here. Now you can't tell me this is not a dope looking case that just give you that leather look. And like I said, nice camera protection, nice and raised up around the camera lenses on my 16 Pro. And in each corner, you got that nice bolstered up shock absorption system that Casetify uses in case of a drop. And I really like this tan colorway, guys. As you can see, we got our lanyard spot power button, but as you can see, the Desert Titanium breaking through with a camera control at, and look how it mixes in with the tan. Very dope. Now, slits in the button press. So we got a nice tactile button press. Go ahead, listen. Nice tactile button press there. Same on this side, guys. Nice slits in the button. Nice tactile button press. Now, as you can see, cutouts on deck, and like I said, that tan mixes with the Desert Titanium so good. This is a really nice looking case. You got a nice feel in the hand. Feels just like a leather case on your device. And also you got a nice raised up lip around the front display. Any case that you get, you want a raised up lip around the front display, because if you drop your device on a flat surface, you want the actual case to take the impact instead of your display. But like you're seeing on the side, this case also has MagSafe powers. So shout out to Casetify. Also, along with the case, they got the matching BioVeg wallets also. So they got the synthetic BioVeg wallets, and that's how they're gonna look together, guys. So you actually getting some PETA approved synthetic leather look that actually looks great. It looks like leather to me. If you like the leather look, but you more into something that's a little bit more friendly towards the environment, this is definitely something that you could pick up. And Casetify did a really good job offering a nice luxurious leather type synthetic leather case, but also a protective case just for your phone. It's your boy BG Tech Life. I put a link down in the description. Shout out to Casetify for sending this out. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.